Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on the topic of system testing. In this video, we will explore what system testing is, why it is important, and some best practices for implementing it. Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Friends, system testing is a type of testing that evaluates the entire system or application as a whole rather than individual components. The goal of system testing is to ensure that that system or application meets the requirements and specification set by the stakeholders. Friends, system testing is crucial because it helps identify defects or issues that may arise when different components of the system are combined. It also helps ensure that the system is working as expected and that it can handle a range of scenarios and inputs. That is especially important for a complex system where individual components may work fine on their own but may fail when combined together. Friends, there are some best practices for system testing. Today we will look into this. The first and foremost one is plan. System testing should be planned and structured with a clear objectives and test cases and timelines. A proper timeline or schedule to be maintained. How much time, how many days are needed for creating the test cases and reviewing the test cases and for implementing the test cases. This helps ensure that the testing process is organized and that all aspects of system are covered. The second one is document. Document all the test cases and results to ensure that they are reproducible and they can be easily reviewed by stakeholders. This helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and can track the progress over time. Friends, the third one is test in real environment. System testing should be conducted in an environment that closely mimics the production environment. This helps ensure that system will work in the real world and any issues can be identified and resolved before going live. Friends, fourth one is automate. Use automation tools to make the testing process faster and more efficient. This can help identify issues faster and free up time for manual testing and analysis. Friends, fifth one is involve all stakeholders. Involve all stakeholders including developers, testers, project managers, and business analysts in the system testing process. This helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and issues can be addressed before they become a big. In conclusion, system testing is an essential aspect of software development and it helps ensure that the system or application meets the requirements and specification set by the stakeholders. By following best practices such as planning, documenting, testing in real environments, automating, and involving all the stakeholders, you can ensure that your system testing process is efficient, effective, and produce high quality results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.